I'm in the mood for a nice slice of cake. A savory cake. Now I've tried a pizza cake, but this time I'm gonna try a chicken enchilada cake. And it sounds easy. You're gonna need a springform pan. Now I know sometimes you make things in there and some ooze sometimes drips out. So I made sure that I have some tin foil all around the bottom so I don't have no enchilada ooze. This dish just uses 4 ingredients. I'm using flour tortillas. These are carb balanced. Never tried them. I also need some mozzarella cheese. That's what the recipe says. I would think Mexican cheese, but it said mozzarella. Next, we need some enchilada sauce. I'm gonna use the red kind. And finally, we need some shredded chicken that's been cooked already. Let's make our cake layers, starting with a tortilla. In the bottom, enchilada sauce, chicken, cheese, tortilla, sauce, chicken, cheese, tortilla, sauce, chicken, cheese. Let's end it with tortilla, sauce, and finally some cheese. And now you just cook it for 30 minutes in a 350-degree oven. Okay, it's done. It's time to take it out of the pan. It's a springform, so I just opened this up. And let's see how it does. Will it just ooze all over? We'll find out. All right. There's definitely some ooze. Not really like a cake, but I think it'll taste great. Enchilada cake. It tastes good, but would I recommend it as a cake? No, I don't. I think I should have used less sauce. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitchen. We learn things here. What are bald sea captains most worried about? Capsizes.